Good morning, student. I am your bio teacher. As you know that student, what is meant by blood vessels? In this video, we are going to learn about that the hepatic portal system. See student, hepatic. Hepatic word which is correlated by the liver. You know that liver is the largest gland which is present in our body, and the vein, otherwise the arteries, means whatever blood vessels which is related to the liver, these blood vessels are used the word hepatic, means the whatever artery which enter in the liver is called as the hepatic artery, whatever vein which is leaving from the liver, these called as the hepatic vein. Means that the hepatic word are correlated, the hepatic word is correlated to the liver. Understood student? And portal system means in that system the portal vein, the vein which is start from capillaries and end in capillaries, this vein is called as the portal vein. See, these so many capillaries, these capillaries are reunion and become a one blood vessels, and again it is divided into the capillaries. This system is called as the portal system. And the blood vessels which is start from capillaries and end in capillaries, this blood vessel, this vein is called as the portal vein. Understood student? What is meant by hepatic portal vein? Means the vein which is enter in the liver and the vein which is start from capillaries and end in capillaries, this vein is called as the hepatic portal vein. See student, this is our liver. The vein start from stomach and intestine. The blood vessels which carry the blood from liver, from stomach and small intestine directly do not convey to the superior inferior vena cava. Before entering into the heart, the blood vessels which enter into the liver for processing. Got it student? Means see again, listen again. The blood vessels, the vein, they carry the deoxygenated blood from the organ. The vein which carry the deoxygenated blood from stomach and liver, they directly do not enter into the superior inferior vena cava. Before entering the vena cava, they enter into the liver, and in the liver the blood is processing, and after the blood from hepatic vein into the passing to the superior vein, inferior vena cava, and the inferior vena cava are transferred, passes the blood to the heart. Got it student? What is mean by hepatic portal system? Hepatic word is correlated to the liver, means the vein from stomach and intestine. The vein from stomach and intestine, they do not directly passing the blood to the superior vena cava. Before passing the blood superior vena cava, the blood is enter into the liver, and the blood vessels, with the help of blood vessels, the blood is passing from stomach to the liver. This blood vessel is called as the hepatic portal vein. Means there is so many capillaries, the blood vessel is a start from capillaries, and this blood vessel enter into the liver, and again it is divided into the many capillaries. Means this vein is called as the hepatic portal vein, means the vein which start from capillaries and end in capillaries. In the blood which is enter into the liver, the blood is processing, means excess sugar which is removed from the blood and store as a glycogen. If any poisonous substance which is present in the blood, it is also deoxified the blood, and this blood is again reunion of capillaries, and this vessel. This vein is called as the hepatic vein, and these hepatic veins are enter the blood into the inferior vena cava. Got it, student? What is meant by hepatic portal system? Hepatic word is correlated to the liver. Means whatever arteries, vein which is related to the liver, these arteries, vein is called as the hepatic artery, hepatic vein. And portal system is what? The blood vessels which start from capillaries and end in capillaries. This blood vessel is called as the portal vein. And I am explaining about the stomach and liver. Means the blood vessels we start from stomach and intestine. The blood is do not directly pass into the heart. Before passing into the heart, the blood is enter into the liver, and in the liver the blood is processing. Means whatever excess sugar which is present in the blood, which remove and store as a glycogen in the liver. Any poisonous substance which is present in the blood, it is also removed from the blood, and again reunion of the blood vessels and form the hepatic vein, and these hepatic veins are pass the blood from liver to the inferior vena cava. Got it, student? What is meant by hepatic portal system? And now next is the renal vein and renal arteries. The renal word is related to the kidney. Means whatever blood vessels which enter into the kidney, these blood vessel is called as the renal artery. Means the renal artery we start from aorta and transport the blood from heart to the kidney. This blood vessel is called as the renal artery. Means the hepatic word is related to the liver and the renal word is related to the kidney. Got it, student? What is meant by hepatic and renal? The renal artery, the blood is a oxygenated blood. The renal artery carry the oxygenated blood, but impure blood. Means in last video I explained about that oxygenated, deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means what? The blood which contain the large amount of oxygen and less amount of carbon dioxide. This blood is called as the oxygenated blood. And deoxygenated blood means what? The blood which contain the large amount of carbon dioxide and less amount of oxygen. This blood is called as the deoxygenated blood. You don't confuse about deoxygenated, oxygenated, impure and pure. Impure and pure blood is different from oxygenated and deoxygenated. See, student, impure blood means the blood which present the nitrogenous waste. This blood is called as the impure blood. And pure blood means the blood which remove the nitrogenous waste. This blood is called as the pure blood. The renal artery we start from the heart and enter into the kidney. These artery carry the oxygenated blood. This blood is a impure blood. Means what? The blood is contain so many nitrogenous waste before enter into the kidney, and kidney is a purification of blood and pass this blood through by renal vein. The renal vein which living from the kidney. Second is the renal vein. Renal artery carry the impure blood and renal vein carry the pure blood. It is a oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood and pure blood is a deoxygenated blood. And this renal vein carry the pure deoxygenated bloods and pass this blood to the heart for a oxygenation. Got it, student? What is meant by the portal system and the hepatic word which correlated to the liver and the renal word which correlated to the kidney. Got it, student? Thank you.